In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Visual Studio for free. So click on Community. After that, we will double click on the installer. Continue. We will wait for it to download and install. So now we will select .NET Desktop Development. In it we have WPF, WForms, console application using C#, Visual Basic and F#. We will also select ASP.NET and web development. This is for web application using ESP.NET, ESP.NET Core, HTML and JavaScript. So we select it. And if you want to do Python development, you can select Python development. If you want to include Node.js, you can select Node.js, or Azure development, you can select it. If you want to do mobile development with .NET, you can select this. Then I will select .NET Core. The total space required is written here. So for me it is 7.54 GB. So we will wait for it to be downloaded. Then we will open the application. So it works. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video tutorial has helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.